Hello my friends and welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at this heated vest. Now this is from Ponsonbay, I believe is what it's called. And this is an X large. Normally we take size large, but we thought it might fit a little small, so we went with X large. We'll let you guys know if you need to order size up or order size down. Again, I normally take size large. We went with X large just to be safe. So in the box, they give you a nice little manual. And this is it. Now this is not like your typical heated vest. This one's actually supposed to be high quality. So in here it comes with the power bank, which we'll go over in a little bit. But this is it. So this is the heated vest. It's got a nice full front zipper. Alright, X large. So we do have a sweatshirt, well, it's not really, it's more like a sweatshirt jacket on as well. And that actually fits perfect. Now, one thing I don't like, well, I guess it doesn't really matter, but normally for men's jackets, the zipper is on the right side, not the left. But, you know, tomatoes, right? Okay. So, it fits. If I was just wearing a t-shirt and I put this vest on, a large would be perfectly fine. But if you're going to be wearing a sweatshirt, a jacket, and then wear the vest, or wear the vest and a jacket on top of that, I think go one size up. So because we're wearing this over our jacket, X large fits perfect. So it's got two pockets, very deep pockets. Inside here is your controls for your power bank. And inside here, if we can show you, unzipper this. If we can show you inside here, there's going to be a zipper. This is where you put your power bank, and they provide you with the power bank. So this is the power bank that they give you, and the power bank basically gives power to allow you to turn on the vest. Charging cable with the power bank. Oh, this is a nice little power bank. By the way, these power banks can also charge your cell phones and other devices as well. So this is the power bank. Nice, sleek design. You have two USB ports and all your other ports. And what you're going to do here is you're going to take this out. It's a Type-C cable. You're going to plug that into the Type-C end, just like this. You're going to slide this down into the pocket. So if we can, let's see. Okay, so you got to open up the pocket a little bit. A little tough getting in here, as you guys can see. That might be the one flaw. There we go. Okay, so you got to kind of work it in. Probably once we get used to it, it won't be as big of an issue. Okay, and now we can see that, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's lit up. Right here it's lit up. And we can select, you can do your sides right here, your back sides, or your front chest. When you press it, it's going to light up green, red, and blue. Blue is going to be just light mode, and that's automatic. It's going to automatically be on that. You can press and hold to turn it on and off. So if it's lit up, that means it's on. So we turned it off, and if we press and hold, it'll light up red, blue, and green. Okay, red's going to be the full force, so blue's going to be low. Green is going to be medium. Red is going to be high. And we're going to put it on high. All of them on high just to see. We're going to go ahead and close this up. Again, in the US, men clothing and jackets, the zipper is on the right side. For women, it's on the left. So it's For this one, it's on the men's on the right, so it's kind of hard to get used to, but you get used to it. not, you know, it's not really big. If that's the only negative, that's not bad at all. So I can definitely feel it warming up. It's not a rapid warming, which is kind of nice because those, you know, can often be fire hazards. It's just a slow warm, which is nice. I do feel like right up in here, the warming. I feel the warming on my back, like up in here. But overall, it's nice, guys. Definitely gonna be nice when we go out for dates in the cold weather or if I'm shoveling snow.